Good morning, everyone. It's about 5:30 now, 4:45 maybe. Today we're at Barcome Mills. We got here early, and as you can see, well, you may be able to see the sun's risen now, but it's a beautiful morning. We thought we'd give this a go out here today. If there's anything around that's worth taking a photograph of. So let's see how we go. So Barcome Mills, and it's just outside Lewes in East Sussex. So this is Barcome Mills. As you can see, it's a pretty little place. I've been here about 10 minutes. I've heard blackcap, wren, yeah. It sounds promising. Let's see if it turns into some photos. But yeah, very pretty. Just up here is a pool that is frequented by fly fishermen. It's a good place can be a good place to see trout. Not fished it for that myself here, but let's go and take a look. Might be lucky, there might be someone fishing here. It's always good to watch. You never know. Beautiful little streams. Kingfisher territory, maybe, if we're lucky. So this is the pool here. There's lots of little weirs around. Unfortunately, there's no one actually fishing, but that would have been nice to see. So this is the old toll bridge. Just swing round and let you have a read of that. It's been a lovely morning to walk around, but not seeing much in the way of birds, unfortunately. is a World War II pillbox. I used to play around in there when I was a kid. It's all bricked up now. It's a fairly recent thing because you used to be able to go in and use your imagination. Look at the sound of the water. Amazing. You can actually see down here. Impressive. This is a very busy place in the summer. There are lots of dog walkers. It's nice to see it quite overgrown actually, to be honest. Okay. So someone's lost their glasses. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. I've been out a few years ago now, came out early one morning, frost on the ground, took some fantastic photos, landscape photos out here. I'll see if I can find them maybe. Well, these are a few pictures that I found that I took a good few years ago now. As you can see, it's not as overgrown as it is now, but it was really pretty. I got here for dawn that day and it was frosty, so yeah, pleased with those. How about that for a sight then? I don't know if it's coming out on the video, but the mist coming off the water is just amazing. So pretty. And cliff chaff in the background. As they say in Gavin and Stacey, that's lush. Beautiful. Well, it's since I'm 8:05. I finished my good walk round. Quiet today, unfortunately, again. Not too much to take in the way of pictures, but it's a lovely day and enjoyed the walk. So, better luck next time again. Okay, catch you later. You have a lovely day. Bye bye.